Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Kids. So in this video I about teach how to draw a tulip flower. Follow this step. Step 1, draw the basic shape stem. Start by drawing a long slightly curved line for the stem. Make it straight or a little curved depending on how you want the flower to sit. Leaves. Add two long pointing leaves on each side of the stem. Make them slightly curved and larger near the base, tapering to a point. And step 2, draw the petals. Tulip petals are usually shaped like wide, elongated teardrops. Begin by drawing a small U shape at the top of the stem for the first petal. On either side, draw two other petals. Shape and the curve outward and then slightly inward towards the base of the flower. They should overlap slightly, creating a cup-like shape at the top of the flower. Step 3. Add detail to the petals. Add line from the base of each petals toward the tip, following the natural curve of the petal. These lines will represent the veins in the petal. Slightly curve the edge of the petal to make them look soft and natural. Step 4. Shape and color. Shade the areas where the petals curved to create the path. Focusing on the inside petals. And light shading along the stem and the vein of the leaf. If you are coloring your drawing, tulips often come in bright color like red, yellow, pink, purple. Color the petal with a gradient of the color darker at the base and lighter. Step 5, Final touch. Outline the flower lightly to emphasize the shape and make the tulip look crisp. You can add more shading around the base of the flower and under the leaves to make it more realistic. This should give you a simple, stylish tulip drawing. Okay, this all step you following. Okay, subscribe my channel, like my videos, sing my own videos, like my own videos. Okay, bye bye.